A Russian tank commander deliberately attacked another Russian position in the Zaporizhia region of Ukraine this summer following a battlefield argument, a major new report said. The incident, part of a sweeping investigation by the New York Times, is one of the clearest examples of the vicious infighting that has plagued President Vladimir Putin's military throughout the war. A Russian drone operator who said he witnessed the episode told the paper that a Russian tank commander drove his T-90 tank toward a group of Russian National Guard troops, fired at their checkpoint and blew it up. "Those types of things happen there," the soldier said, adding that he has since fled Russia. The National Guard, or Rosgvardia, is not part of the Russian armed forces, and reports to Putin directly. That rift was one of several at play in the Russian war effort. Other power centers include the mercenary Wagner Group, led by Putin ally Yevgeny Prigozhin, and the forces led by Ramzan Kadyrov, the warlord who leads Russia's semi-autonomous region of Chechnya. The Russian military appears to have limited coordination with any of them, officials said, according to the paper. There was no unified command, there was no single headquarters, there was no single concept, and there was no unified planning of actions and command, retired Russian General Leonid Avasov told the paper. It was destined to be a defeat. The friction between these factions has spilled out into the open at times, including when Kadyrov and other Putin allies criticized the Russian military's retreat from a city in Ukraine in October. Kadyrov said at the time that the incompetent general that should be sent to the front to wash his shame off with blood, per the New York Times. Prigozhin echoed the sentiment, the paper said, commenting about Russian military generals. Send all these pieces of garbage barefoot with machine guns straight to the front.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.